Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today we are installing these nylon door pulls that I picked up for the Fiat 500. I always felt that the interior door panels on these cars were very plain, and I wanted to add in a little pop of color to sort of match the interior dash panel and of course the exterior red. You really only need a few tools for this. You'll need a 5mm Allen key, a trim tool, or a small screwdriver, and a 1/4-inch drill bit, and of course a drill. Start by popping off this plastic piece where you'd normally close the door. I used a trim tool instead of a screwdriver so I didn't scratch it up. Next, we want to remove this rear-facing bolt using your 5mm Allen key. Each kit comes with hardware and a template, so you know which side to drill. Cut out your template and line it up with that plastic panel you just removed. You'll note that there's a small target, and once you line it up properly on that panel, you'll want to use a small punch or some sort of pick to make a little tiny indent so your drill bit doesn't walk. If you're doing this correctly, you're going to be drilling into the rear-facing side of this panel. The hardware that comes with each kit is an extended 5mm Allen key bolt, a nylon washer, a metal washer, and a nylon spacer. It's important to stack them all correctly, so take your nylon cable, fold it over so each of the washers are touching each other. Then take the extended bolt and the metal washer, put it through both eyes. On the back side, you're going to want to put that nylon washer. Then the plastic panel you just removed, and behind that, you're going to need that nylon spacer. Now it's time to put that back in the car. With any luck, you should be able to line the bolt up and make sure that plastic panel fits in all in one go. I had better luck on my passenger side than I did the driver's side. Once everything's lined up, make sure you tighten down that bolt with your 5mm Allen key. If you bought two kits like I did, just repeat the same steps on the opposite side. I thought this was an inexpensive and sort of easy mod, and I wanted to give it a shot. Really, these are meant for if you have a racing bucket and harnesses and you're strapped in and you really can't reach the door all the way. These would help you do that, but in my case, I just wanted to spruce up the interior just a bit. And there you have it, a cheap interior mod. I think it adds something to the door panels. Let me know what you think. All in all, I was in this about $40.